Hi, this is Steve Castle with Castle Real Estate Group, bringing you the October monthly market update. In this video, we'll get an update on the current trends of the market and if we're seeing any new indicators of changes on the horizon. We will also give you some strategies if you're looking to sell your home and you need the equity out of that to purchase your next property. And finally, I have a favor to ask you and also a request to make of you. First, I have a favor to ask you. If you've spent any time with me, you understand that I spend a large portion of my day bragging about how we have the best clients in the business. Because of you, we're looking to grow the team. So if you know anyone that's in the business or thinking about getting in the business that would be a great fit, please reach out. We'd love to connect. In terms of the market, much like our record temperatures here in Arizona, the market continues to be on fire with little relief in sight. Inventories, sales, and list price to sales price ratio have all stayed strong, consistent, and at record levels. If you own real estate, you're very happy right now, as year-over-year appreciation is sitting at a ridiculous 17.5%. If you're a buyer, you can find comfort in the fact that continued low interest rates keep affordability within reason. When we look at inventory, one of the reasons it's so low is that many of our clients feel stuck in their current home. In other words, they need the equity out of their current residence in order to purchase their next property. They are scared to list their current residence without already having a new place secured. In a perfect world, we would go shopping, get a new home under contract with a contingent offer before even considering listing the current residence. But with current inventory levels as low as they are and demand as high as it is, it's highly unlikely that that strategy is going to work. So we have to get creative. If you have lots of equity in your current residence, as many of our clients do, you can look to do something like a home equity line of credit or what's called bridge financing to pull the equity out of your current residence and use that as the down payment on your new home so that you don't have to write a contingent offer. Another option is if you're uncomfortable with that or if you don't have enough equity, you can list your current residence and get it under contract with a long close of escrow. What this will allow you to do is get some certainty around the sale of your home and make it more likely that a seller would be willing to accept your offer. And with that in hand, you can go out and you can go shopping feeling like you have plenty of time to secure your new residence and not feel pressured to purchase a home you don't like. For our most risk-adverse clients, a final option is to go ahead and list your home, sell it, and negotiate a 30 to 60-day leaseback on your current residence with the new buyers. This will allow you to have cash in hand, a little more certainty, and you can go shopping without having to make any contingencies at all on the new property. We've used all of these strategies with success in the current market. So if this is something you're considering, we'd love to hear from you and talk about which option might be best. Finally, I have a request for all of you. This is my last market update before the election, and I want to ask you all to please go vote. The top of the ticket is getting all of the attention, but there are plenty of down ballot races and propositions that will determine the kind of state we live in. So please make your voice heard. Until next time, I hope you all have a great month and stay safe.
Good job, dude.
All right, sweet.
Nice. That's a wrap.